Guess what? A trip to Mars takes around 6 to 9 months, depending on the positions of Earth and Mars, and their relative orbital alignments during launch windows. That's roughly the same time it takes to plan an elaborate wedding, watch an entire Marvel series, or master a complex new skill with dedication. The distance between Earth and Mars is about 140 million miles at its closest point, which is like driving your car nonstop for 200 years straight. Did you know the first successful Mars rover was launched in 1996 and was named Mars Pathfinder? What a cool name, right? NASA's Perseverance rover, launched in 2020, carried a piece of the Wright brothers' flyer. Talk about taking history to new heights. Mars has the tallest volcano in our solar system. Olympus Mons is around 3 times the height of Mount Everest, standing majestically with vast surroundings. The Martian surface is covered with iron oxide, which gives it that distinct rusty red hue you've probably seen in pictures. A day on Mars is just over 24 hours, so not too different from Earth, but the Martian year is almost twice as long, presenting a unique astronomical context slowly. Mars has polar ice caps, which are made of water ice and dry ice, CO2 frozen solid for the science buffs. The caps are fascinating and their composition is quite interesting too naturally. The Curiosity rover has been exploring Mars since 2012 and has discovered evidence of ancient lakes, rocky formations, and vast sedimentary deposits, revealing a complex geological history. What if we told you Mars has the longest valley in the solar system, stretching incredibly far? It's called the Valles Marineris, a massive canyon system. This massive canyon is over 2,500 miles long and up to 4 miles deep. Now that's a serious and extremely challenging hike through rugged terrain, demanding endurance. Mars is also known for its massive dust storms, some of which can last for months and cover the entire planet with enormous dust clouds and strong winds. In terms of gravity, Mars is only about 38% as strong as Earth's. You could jump way higher there, experiencing a strange, weightless feeling for a few seconds, floating freely. The atmosphere on Mars is too thin to support liquid water, which makes it pretty inhospitable, lacking vital elements needed for survival, much like a barren, cold landscape. Still, scientists are fascinated by the potential for past or even present life on the red planet. Some of the most exciting missions to Mars are the ones that are still in the intricate planning stages, filled with anticipation and expectation carefully. For instance, NASA's Mars Sample Return mission aims to bring back Martian soil samples slowly, carefully, and with great precision, testing new technologies. Why does this matter? Well, analyzing Martian rocks on Earth carefully could reveal significant secrets about the planet's geological history and formation processes slowly. If humans ever travel to Mars, they'll need to deal with some serious radiation exposure from the sun and deep space, potentially harming their health. Mars doesn't have a strong magnetic field to shield it from intense solar radiation, causing potential risks and damage to its thin atmosphere daily. Astronauts on a trip to Mars would need some serious protection, maybe even a spacecraft with a built-in magnetic shield, enduring harsh cosmic radiation daily. But the adventure would be worth it, right? Just imagine being the first person to set foot on Mars, experiencing the red terrain, and witnessing the sunsets there slowly. Elon Musk is already talking about establishing a permanent human settlement on Mars, ambitious to say the least, with significant technological advancements required. With SpaceX's revolutionary Starship, the ambitious goal is to make interplanetary travel more affordable, frequent, and sustainable for humanity's future. Sending humans to Mars is a bit like trying to plan a complex picnic on the distant moon. It's a huge technological challenge requiring precise calculations. You'd need to pack the right snacks carefully, avoid harmful cosmic rays, and find a fairly comfortable spot to sit quietly during the trip. On the bright side, Mars is relatively close in space terms, and the spectacular views would be simply out of this world, offering breathtaking sunsets. The journey to Mars might be long, but the amazing discoveries we make along the incredible way will be totally stellar and historically significant. So, are you really ready to blast off to Mars and thoroughly explore the unknown vastness, even if it's just in your wildest dreams for now, or perhaps forever?